Hello guys, welcome to gourabsartcraftworld. I'm Gaurav and today I'm going to show you a beautiful decoupage bottle art with some floral touch. First of all, take this type of bottle or any bottle of your choice. Now by using a decoupage, I'm going to cover its lower portion. Now cut it in the required size. Apply Deco Magic glue on the bottle. Now stick the decoupage on the bottle properly. After that, again apply a layer of Deco Magic glue on the decoupage and let it dry. Now by using glue, stick some ready-made flowers on the bottle to decorate it. So guys, our bottle art has completed and this is how it looks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.